Yum yum.
You've nailed the turkey. Now, don't trip at the finish line. Nail your gravy too. This recipe uses the rich flavors of portobello mushrooms along with the complex herbs of rosemary and sage. Start by cleaning and chopping a portobello mushroom. If you have button mushrooms, those work too. Your goal is uniform size, but not so small that people can't tell what they are. Get 4 tablespoons of butter and melt it in a saucepan. Add in your mushrooms, rosemary, and sage, then cook them until the mushrooms halve in size. Place those off to the side along with your turkey drippings. If you don't have a full 2 cups of drippings, don't worry. You can add more chicken stock to make up the difference. Keep the flavor in your pan and melt the rest of your butter. Now throw in your cornstarch a little at a time and whisk like a crazy person. Seriously, you don't want lumpy gravy. Add in your turkey stock and mushrooms as well as 2 cups of chicken or turkey stock. Place all of this on medium heat and whisk constantly until it bubbles a few times. Remove from the heat, taste, and salt as you see fit. Also pepper, don't forget about the pepper. And you just nailed Thanksgiving.